If you are a student interested in learning the complete database design and development step by step, then this course is for you. Welcome to LearnComputerScienceOnline.com, and in this video we are going to review a bestseller database design course on Udemy. This course will teach you complete database design and development skills. This course also covers the database management system, DBMS, fundamentals concepts that every database developer must know. Needless to say, this course comes with 30-day free trial, full money-back guarantee, as per Udemy policy. This is a top-rated database management system, DBMS, online course, available on Udemy.com, which is a e-learning portal. The Udemy is one of the largest and most reputed e-learning education portal, trusted by millions of students across the globe. Let us start the review with one basic question, and that is, why database design knowledge and the database management system, DBMS skills, are important on your resume. The candidates with database management skills are in great demand across all the industries. The candidates with database design skills are the first one that are hired in the campus placements. The database design skills are also one of the highest paid skills in the job market. The databases are now an essential part of most software applications. That includes database applications, web applications, Android applications for mobile devices, and dynamic websites that are interactive. Large number software applications are developed for many business corporations in order to help the business corporations to manage their operation and some important functions such as employee records, inventory management, accounts, sales transactions, customer information, and so on. And for this reason, large number of database developers are hired every year by the leading software companies. And therefore, the database design and development skills can add a significant value and important skills to your resume that can put your career on the fast track. So, let's now discuss what is so special about this course, and how this course is beneficial for you. The database design and development work is a specialist job, and you need to acquire some special professional skills. In order to become a successful database developer, you need to have the knowledge of both theoretical fundamental concepts and also the practical expertise required for planning and for building the databases. This database design course has been specially designed for the absolute beginners, which will help you learn step by step. This course will help you understand all the important fundamental concepts in database and development in most simple language. This course extensively covers the entire process of building the database, explained to you step by step. We can divide the contents of this course into two parts. The first few lectures deals with database fundamental design knowledge. The first stage is called the database planning stage. The database planning stage includes activities such as understanding the user requirements and the business process mapping. This process is also called as the requirements elicitation. And based on these user requirements, the database designers create different data models. These data models created during planning stage work as blueprint for actually building the database. The second stage is called the database development. In this stage, the database designers actually build the database using a specific database management system such as MySQL or any other relational database management system. Let us now talk about the practical knowledge that you will get from this unique course. The database development part includes the implementation of all the database theory covered in the first part of this course. The last section of this course deals with the database project. In this database project, we are going to implement all the database knowledge and skills that we have learned so far. In this database project, you will be actually building a relational database step by step by using MySQL Relational Database Management System. Please check the link in the description for this course on Udemy. You can also go through the demo lectures before buying this course on Udemy. So, what are you waiting for? Needless to say, this course comes with 30-day free trial, full money-back guarantee, as per Udemy policy. Like many other students, you will find this course a valuable resource for learning the crucial database design skills. Please check the link in the description to buy this course and to claim your discount coupon. And that brings to the end of this course review for Learn Complete Database Design and Development with MySQL Database Project. Please visit our website, learncomputerscienceonline.com, to learn computer science online. If you have liked this video, then please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon with another computer science tutorial.